Hey, I know that you have a website, more likely than not, and it's not getting clients. And I also know that one of the most common reasons for that is that we just don't have a fantastic headline. I'm going to help you with that today. Okay. So, in this super short video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something that is a mistake on so many therapy websites. And I'm going to show you how you can write a headline that will attract clients and hopefully inspire them to book with you, just like this process has worked for so many other clients that I've done. I've also got a worksheet that you can grab. It's totally free. It's going to show you exactly how to do it, and it is not hard. Okay, you can get this up and running in a matter of minutes, right? Now, I know this works because I've done hundreds of website wellness checks for therapists, just like you perhaps, that have great websites, look great, feel great, but just aren't doing their job in terms of getting you inquiries or bookings. They don't know why. They book that audit. I do the audit. One of the most common things that comes out of that is, just a headline that isn't really working because it's not resonating with someone. Okay. So, yeah, I also lead a community of over 10,000 therapists, supporting them as they also grow their private practices. And this headline formula has been proven from all the feedback that I get to be one of the fastest wins for them that I have seen to date. So super happy to be able to share it with you. So the problem that you might be having is that the headline is the most important part of the website initially, because it's what lets clients know that they're in the right place or not. Okay. So if you've got something that's like generic, flowery, cliche, general, or worse, it was written by ChatGPT and you haven't altered anything and we can clearly tell it's a ChatGPT heading, we've got a problem. So people will come and they're going to read that and they're just going to click out because they're going to say, not for me. So if you've got a headline on your website, something along now, I just put these in ChatGPT and it came back with embark on a transformative journey towards your mental health and well-being. The other one was walking alongside you through life's transitions. They're just examples. If you've got stuff like that, that is stopping people from connecting with you, right? Because these headlines just don't resonate with anyone. Now, when they first come to your homepage, boom, that's a big thing that they see. And then they're not going to scroll down or click on all of your other things. They're just going to leave. Okay. But we can fix it, right? Really, really easy. We can fix it. Okay. So 3 steps. Number 1, just be clear on who you're helping. Really easy. So no more trying to cast wide nets, no more being afraid of, specific things, no talking to everyone, no fluff, generic language or cliches, okay? The next thing, we want to identify and lean into what they really want. And then the third thing there is to really address what the challenge is. Okay. Now, there are a few different ways that you can do that. They're covered in the worksheet as well. You're going to get all 3 of my plug and play components of the formula in the worksheet. All right. Now, it all sounds super simple, I know, and it works. It works because it's flipping everything from being really generic and not speaking to anyone, and it's making it all about them. So now it is speaking to someone, okay? And when they land on your site now, they land on your homepage and they see that new heading, they feel connected to you almost instantly, right? Within the first few seconds. And then what happens is they start scrolling, okay? So they're going to stay on the website for a bit longer. They're going to start to feel trust, and then they're going to reach out. They're going to take an action. Maybe it's going to be that they're going to make an inquiry or a booking, okay? So if you want the formula and you want the worksheet that I've made that shows you exactly how to do it and fix your headline, just comment the word headline below this video and I will absolutely get it to you. It's going to give you the exact formula and the guided prompts so you can write your own headline in under 10 minutes without overthinking it and without rewriting your whole entire website. I know. How good is that? Sounds good, right? So it's fast, it's easy, and it works. So yep, just drop the word headline below. More than happy to get it over to you, and let's get you some more inquiries and bookings. Okay, bye.